degrees, minutes and seconds. In this video, we are going to talk about how to convert the value of angle given in degrees to degrees, minutes and seconds. So our question is, convert 286.62 degree from degrees to degrees, minutes and seconds. So as you can see, the value of my angle is given as theta is equal to 286.62 degrees. In order to convert this value of angle from degrees to degrees, minutes and seconds, let's first talk about what is the relationship between degrees, minutes and seconds. So if you remember, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And we already know that this is a symbol for degree, this is the symbol for minute and symbol for seconds. Now what we're going to do, we are going to rewrite the value of the angle. So I'm going to rewrite this value. So I will write this 286 as 286 degree plus 0.62 degrees. Now if I further simplify, I will write theta is equal to 286 degree plus 0.62 times 1 degree, because 0.62 times 1 is 0.62 degree. Now we know that 1 degree is 60 seconds, so I'm going to substitute that value over here, and if I do that, I will write theta is equal to 286 degree plus 0.62 times 60 minutes. Now I would recommend you to pause the video and use the calculator to multiply these two numbers, and if we do that, we will write theta is equal to 286 degree plus 37.2 minutes. Now as you can see, this minute part is still in decimals. So what we need to do, we need to remove this decimal, and there is only one way we can get rid of this decimal, if we convert the minutes into seconds, and especially this decimal minutes. So I'm going to rewrite this whole thing, and if I do that, I will write theta is equal to 286 degree plus 37 minutes plus 0.20 minutes. So basically I am writing 37.2 as 37 plus 0.2. Now let's simplify further, and if we do that, we will write theta is equal to 286 degrees plus 37 minutes plus, and my minutes in decimal is 0.20, so I can write this one as 0.20 times 1 minute. Now we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds, so I'm going to substitute that value over here, and if I do that, I will rewrite this whole thing as this is equal to 286 degree plus 37 minutes plus 0.20 times 1 minute is 60 seconds. Now again, pause the video and multiply, and if you do that, we will get this theta is equal to 286 degrees plus 37 minutes plus, if I multiply 0.20 times 60, I will get 12 seconds. Now let's combine all these values of the angle, and if we do that, we will get theta is equal to 286 degrees 37 minutes and 12 seconds. So basically the value of the same angle in terms of degree, minutes and second is 286 degree, 37 minutes and 12 seconds. And this is how we will convert any given angle from degrees to degrees, minutes and seconds.